Now just imagine this. You are sitting by the beach, enjoying yourself, and cha-ching, you receive a new notification. You check your phone and wow, you receive a message saying congrats, you just earned $25. And a few minutes later, boom, another $25 coming through. Money just keeps rolling in on autopilot. And you only need a few of these notifications a day to live a life of total freedom. A life without debt, without worry, without struggle and frustration. You can finally achieve your dream with this new opportunity which I'm about to share with you. You don't need any special skill, you don't need to be tech savvy because everything is very simple. Also at the end of this video, I'll show you a 100% automated free software that will do all the work for you, right? So you can keep getting paid over and over again. And this is all possible by legally exploiting a $300 million secret platform that most people don't know, right? It's a secret that some people are quietly making big money and don't want to share with others. But I'll reveal everything to you guys, my subscribers, in today's video. So make sure you stay tuned and pay close attention for the next few minutes so you can start making money and enjoy the freedom you always deserve. But before that, make sure you subscribe to all 3 of my YouTube channels and turn on the notification bell for daily new money making videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link in the video description below. Click on that and put in your email address so that I can send you all the details into your email inbox. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Now, first of all, I want you to go on to google.com and I want you to search on Bing, okay, B-I-N-G. And you're gonna go on to the first link as you can see here, www.bing.com. And I want you to click on this link, and from there, that's gonna take you to this page on the Microsoft Bing platform. Now, basically, Bing works very similarly to Google. Basically, it's a search engine where you can type in different keywords and search for different information online. Now, basically, what you're gonna do next is that you can type in keyword article, okay, articles, and you can click on this search button right here. And from there, Microsoft Bing automatically finds different articles based on your search keywords. So look at this. There are all of these search results based on the keyword article, and right there, I'll open up different articles that you can find on Bing. Let's say, for example, this one. When I scroll down, you can find this. This is the entire article that we can find on Bing. Now, from there, this is another example of another article that you can find on this platform as well. Now, on step number 2, I want to show you another website which is called SEOclerks.com. So right here on this website, you can actually get paid by simply writing and submitting articles. Now, don't worry, you don't have to write any articles yourself because I'll show you at the end of this video how you can simply copy and paste other people's Bing articles and you're gonna get paid from this website all without you doing anything. You don't need to write anything, you don't need any skill, you don't need to be good in English. This is one of the best strategies right now and nobody has talked about this before. Now, I want you to take a look at one of these examples. Write an article and you can get paid $25 US. Right here, I'll write SEO optimized articles $50, write 5 articles $25, and right here German articles $35, 1,000 word articles $25. Right, you can see there are so many opportunities for you to make money online by simply writing articles, and you are gonna get paid on SEOclerks.com. But once again, don't worry, okay, don't freak out. In just a moment, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account and how to start making your first $25 by using the power of Bing, and don't need to write anything at all but still be able to get paid, right? I'll show you the entire strategies and all the details, but before that, let me show you another website where you can earn money with free Bing articles, which is Conquer. Now, we can go to conquer.io. Basically, when you search for content creation, and this is where you can find more gigs and jobs to make money online by using Bing articles. Take a look at this, $5 US, $97, and right there $15, and the list just goes on and on, right? But right here, one thing I want you to take notice of Conquer is that they pay out, right, slightly less money as compared to SEO Clerks. However, you can still sign up on both websites, okay? Website number 1, SEOclerks.com, and website number 2, conquer.io. And we can basically copy and paste Bing articles and make money from both of these websites. Now, on step number 3, I'll start showing you how we can copy and paste Bing articles and start making money. And once again, if you stick with me until the end, I'll show you a simple software to do 100% of the work for you. And you don't have to write any articles, just copy and paste. So make sure you stick around and don't miss out on that. So let's back to step number 3. I want you to go back to Bing platform once again, bing.com, and I want you to click on these 3 little dots, and I want you to click on news. And from there, you'll be able to find different news, different articles on the Bing platform. We are going to find the latest and the most popular topics, right? And usually there are politics and health or news and entertainment. You can actually find a lot of ideas of different topics, different articles that you can copy copy and paste under the new section. Okay, now say for example, if you want to focus on the category of business or business articles on Bing website, right now I want you to go on to another website which is called ezinearticles.com. So right here on this website, you can find a lot of copyright free articles that you can use for your own, right? Use for free. Now when you scroll down below, you can see here article category, right? So all we're gonna do here is just click on this business category. You can see here from there, this is going to take you to the business category on this website, and check this out. All of these are copyright free articles that you can copy, you can take for free. Look at all of these titles. They're actually well written, fully completed articles that we can actually resell them on Conquer and also for SEOclerks.com, but with a slight twist which I'll show you. Okay, just keep watching. So take a look at this, right? These are literally hundreds and hundreds of different articles that you can get for free on this website, and we can actually turn around and sell them on SEOclerks.com and also Conquer.io. But very important, we cannot straight away copy and paste those articles because people are not going to buy it, right? And that's the reason why I want to show you a special trick and a special software which is free that you can use to rewrite those articles into brand new unique articles, and then we can just copy and paste those Bing articles and we can make money on Conquer and also on SEOclerks.com. Now let's say for example, okay, if I click on this article, from there that's going to take me to this page. As you can see here, where I can find the entire full-blown articles that we can copy and paste. As you can see here, $25 US, $50, $25, $35 over and over again. And all you're gonna do is just copy and paste those copyright free articles. So right now I'll show you this amazing software which is 100% free, right? You can just go on to prepostseo.com, okay? Prepostseo.com. So from there we just go down below. You can see here articles rewriter. Okay, you can simply copy and paste the text into the box, and then they are going to help you automatically rewrite the entire articles and make them unique. So when you scroll down below, you can see this is actually the box where you have to copy and paste the articles into this box, and we'll just have to tick on simple right now. And right now we'll just have to go back to the articles and we're gonna highlight everything, right, all the way until the end, and then I just click on copy and I just go back to the software and paste everything, right, of the entire articles right there into the box. So right there you can see the word count of this article is actually 512, and from there we're going to choose the language of these articles. Let's just choose English. So right now we're going to just go down below and look for this green little button, rewrite the articles, and I want you to click on this button and the software will start to rewrite the entire article for us. As you can see here, it just takes us less than 5 seconds, and when you scroll down below you can see here they're going to rewrite the entire article and make it new, fresh and unique. All of these highlighted sentences and phrases are the changes that they made for us. This is a brand new Bing articles that you can get. You can just simply copy and paste using this free software. You can see here 500 words article, you can charge for $25, right? You can make $25 over and over again. And if you want to sign up for a free account on SEOclerks.com, you can just click on the join button on top, just put in your username, your email address and your password and click on the continue button. It's actually very simple. And on the other hand, if you want to make money on a second website which is Conquer, you can just click on the join button on top. As you can see here, the sign up process is actually very similar. Just put in your details, click on the green sign up button, as simple as that. You don't need any experience, you don't need to do any of the work yourself. All you gotta do is just go on to Ezine articles, find whatever Bing categories that you like. Okay, for example, business, entertainment, news. You can look for different articles that you can copy and paste. Just highlight everything, copy the entire articles, paste them into the software, prepostseo.com, and basically just click on, right, push that button, click on the rewrite button and rewrite the everything, right, into a brand new unique article for us. No people actually talk about this, right? This is actually a very unique way for beginners to copy and paste articles and start making money on the internet. Now, before you leave, I have a special deal for you. This is Google. It's basically a software that allows you to simply searching on Google and get paid $39 over and over again. Now, I know that a lot of you guys have heard of Google before. Maybe you're using it every single day just like myself, but what if you can get paid every time you type something on a Google search bar and click on the search button, boom, you get paid $39 again and again, right? All you gotta do just by using this simple Google software and you can get paid every time you search on Google. The results are amazing. Over $1,000 in one single day, and yesterday $600. But there's just so many people getting successful results by using Google. So as you can see here, $39 payment coming in again and again on autopilot. And the more you search on Google, the more you're gonna get paid, right? It's simple, it's straightforward. 5 searches, you made $195. 10 searches, $390. If you make 50 searches a day, you can profit $1,950, and that's crazy. easy. So all you gotta do is just click on the link in the video description below, come on to this page, watch this video, learn more information about Google Leaks and start activate your account and receive your first payment starting today. Now if you think that today's video is too difficult and you want a much easier and a simpler method to make money, I have something really special to show you. All you have to do is to click on the first link in the video description below. Click on that right now, enter your email address and I'll send you over all the details into your email inbox. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.